Of training and a lack of supervision, a federal watchdog releasing a new report when it comes to Customs and Border Protection officers going through your phone. ABC 15's John Genovese breaking down what it is and what's allowed and what isn't, and how the agency is already making changes.
These days, we use them for just about everything.
Phone calls, texting,
social media, networking.
But whether stepping off an international flight or crossing the border, if you're picked for a more thorough inspection, customs officers are allowed to go through your high-tech life capsule. But a new report by the Office of Inspector General found they're not being supervised or trained enough on proper procedure, and it could be putting your privacy at risk.
And what we're seeing is that many of those officers are not following the protocol. Why? It could be they just don't know about it. It could be things move too fast and they don't have time to be able to write everything down.
KTAR legal expert and Valley mediator Monica Lindstrom says the agency needs a clear and consistent policy. From financial years 2016 to 2017, the report shows an uptick in how many travelers are having their devices searched. Officers aren't allowed to look at stuff stored online like iCloud or Google Drive, but the watchdog says they're not always turning off cell connections. In rare cases, officers can also download data from your phone, but the report found the flash drives being used weren't always deleted, and the systems and software weren't properly maintained.
Our technology is changing daily by leaps and bounds, and we have so many privacy concerns regarding our phones and our watches and our computers that it's hard for the laws and the government agencies to keep up.
So what can you do? If you're set on entering the country, Lindstrom says not much, and any resolution would have to happen after the fact.
If you believe your rights have been violated, I would recommend that you go speak to an attorney.
For some perspective, less than 1% of travelers had their devices searched. Customs and Border Protection say they're now establishing a review process when it comes to these types of searches, and they're instructing officers to put phones into airplane mode. We're at Sky Harbor tonight. John Genovese, ABC 15, Arizona.